Who is at fault in a T-bone car accident? Determining fault in a T-bone car accident can be intricate and nuanced. There are various factors at play, making it challenging to ascertain who bears responsibility for the collision. Understanding the intricacies of fault attribution is crucial for navigating such situations. Here's an in-depth exploration of who might be at fault in a T-bone accident with our Colorado car accident attorneys. If you sustained injuries in an accident in Colorado, contact the Denver car accident attorneys at Front Range Injury Attorneys today to schedule your free consultation. Our experienced legal team are knowledgeable and zealous advocates for our clients and their cases. We treat our clients as people, not case files. Learn more about how we can help you pursue compensation for your injuries and damages. Who is responsible for a T-bone collision? Determining fault in a T-bone collision hinges on identifying the driver who violates the right-of-way. This violation can occur due to various reasons, leading to a collision where the sides of two vehicles meet. Both drivers involved may share responsibility, depending on the circumstances surrounding the accident. Assessing liability in a collision is an important of pursuing compensation for injuries and property damage after a collision. Insurance companies and at-fault drivers will fight against your accident claim if they believe they can push liability for the accident onto you. Our experienced attorneys will evaluate your case after an investigation to determine who is at fault and overcome arguments from the parties liable for your claim. Fault in broadside accidents. In broadside accidents, the driver who breaches the path of travel is typically deemed at fault. This occurs when a vehicle enters another's lane without the lawful right to do so, resulting in a collision. Adhering to traffic rules and yielding to oncoming vehicles is crucial to prevent such accidents. Examples of broadside accidents include driving through a stop sign or red light and crashing into a car with the right-of-way, failure to yield and taking another car's right-of-way, resulting in a collision, making an unsafe left-hand turn and striking the side of another car. Two drivers enter an intersection when neither have the right-of-way and cause a car accident. The most common T-bone car accidents involve drivers ignoring stop signs and traffic signals. Analyzing who's at fault for a T-bone accident. T-bone accidents often necessitate a thorough examination of the facts. Since fault attribution can be ambiguous, determining the responsible party requires careful consideration of the events leading up to the collision. Witness testimonies and available evidence play pivotal roles in establishing liability. A common problem in evaluating fault in T-bone auto accidents is that both drivers often argue that they had the right-of-way. Drivers believe they had a green light instead of a red light or the right to proceed past a stop sign. Often our personal injury lawyers must obtain tangible evidence like photos and vehicle electronic data recorder records to determine whether cars were speeding or stopped at an intersection. Insurance companies often use statements from both drivers to place liability at 50-50 or say it is impossible to figure out who is responsible so they can deny your claim. You should hire a car accident lawyer as soon as possible for your case so your lawyer can gather evidence and protect you from adjuster dirty tricks. Colorado traffic laws on fault for car accidents. Colorado traffic laws dictate the rules of the road and when a driver has the right-of-way. Establishing fault in T-bone accidents often relies on adherence to such statutes and traffic laws. Statutes dictating rules at intersections, stop signs and traffic signals also all play a role. A driver who violates a traffic law and causes an accident can be held liable for negligence under common law as well as negligence per se, which uses statutes as the standard for the duty of care. Proving fault in T-bone collisions. Proving fault in T-bone collisions demands a comprehensive approach. Witness testimonies, video footage, and accident reconstruction are instrumental in substantiating claims. Timely preservation of evidence is crucial to bolstering one's case and securing rightful compensation. If you're injured in a T-bone accident caused by another driver, you are entitled under Colorado law to pursue compensation for your damages. Prevailing on a car accident claim for a T-bone collision often requires presenting evidence of liability. Your car accident attorney will investigate and present evidence including witness testimony, electronic data recorder, your car's black box, information, photographs, bystander testimony, videos from security cameras and city monitoring cameras, accident reconstruction experts. If your case goes to trial, your attorney will present evidence to prove liability of the at-fault driver. The jury will weigh evidence presented by both parties to determine who caused the accident and who is legally liable for your injuries. How an attorney can help with a T-bone crash. Engaging the services of a competent attorney can significantly aid individuals involved in T-bone collisions. Experienced attorneys possess the requisite knowledge to navigate legal proceedings and advocate for their clients effectively. They ensure adherence to legal protocols and pursue fair outcomes on behalf of their clients. T-bone accidents can be complex and require you to take a case into litigation and even trial to get full and fair compensation for your damages. An experienced attorney at our law firm will evaluate your claim, work to prove fault, and advise you on the fair value of your case. Seeking legal assistance from our T-bone car accident attorneys. In the aftermath of a T-bone accident, seeking legal counsel is paramount. The assistance of the experienced car accident lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys can alleviate the burdens associated with legal proceedings. With their expertise and resources, they guide clients through every step of the legal process, striving for favorable resolutions. In conclusion, fault determination in T-bone car accidents is a multifaceted process that necessitates careful examination of the circumstances. With diligent legal representation and adherence to pertinent statutes, individuals can navigate such situations effectively and seek rightful compensation for damages incurred. Contact our Denver law firm today to schedule your free case review with our lawyers.